Hi folks, this is Barry from the HVAC Repair Center, and we're doing the final performance verification testing on a unit sent in by Sam Peevler. This is a test that we do on all units before they leave the shop. We do take a video of every single one, just so that the customer can be ensured that it has been repaired in the shop in case there's trouble upon installation. So let's fire up the radio on this thing. Left side only, right side only, both sides again. Distortion test.